I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for some ways to add light into your pool but you don't want to deal with any electrical, these are the perfect solution. These balls are 3 inches wide. They are LED floating lights, so fun for the pool and really easy to put together. Let me show you. It comes with a little key for you to unscrew where the batteries go. You're going to put 2 batteries in there. It comes with more than enough. You're going to have extra at the end. Make sure to close it nice and tight with the key so that it remains waterproof and you can use your remote control right away. The remote control is really nice. You have several options to change the colors of the light, and I love how they all change at the same time with the use of just one remote control. You can have them flash, you can have them fade out, or you can have them smoothly change colors. So a lot of really great options and really great colors too. There's so much fun for the whole family, especially if you have little ones. They love these little floating balls. And here's a closer look at during dusk, and now you can see them here at night. They look so beautiful glowing in the water. You can also use them as decoration around the pool, and you can even hang them. There's so many uses for these LED floating balls, so I highly recommend that you get some for your pool, but that's just my point of view.